Tonight, if you've been considering painting upholstery, we have something really fun. We're going to show you an old chair that we painted a long time ago. So if you're new to our products, stay with us and we're going to share with you some great tips on how to get started. Be sure and say hello if you're interested in a free sample. Say something and we'll post that right here to you and send you a way to join our group. First thing I'm going to do is get out this product and clean using our deglosser. And I'm going to do that because we used wax on this. If you remember back in the day, we used lots of different products that with our old line. And so not to confuse you, but we're going to paint over it using our all-in-one paint and make life easy. And in one step, we're going to get it done. So we're going to paint right over the gold and everything here that you see. Wipe it down really well and get right in here and get all this gunk and everything using the little scrubby. Then we'll start right with the painting process. So that's how quick you can get going on your project. You don't really just look at that already, just the removal of the grime. So now I'm going to show you what the proper steps are here. Obviously, we've already opened this jar and removed the seal. So what I want you to do is, if you don't have a stir stick at home, what you do is just get an old spoon, a plastic spoon, something that you have in your kitchen. Obviously, you can wash this out, soap and water cleanup, but go in there and really turn and agitate the color, because these paints are highly pigmented and they're going to settle in the bottom of this jar. So I want you to really work hard and stir it well. That's going to really affect the outcome of your project. So keeping the color all mixed in well helps it touch up better over time, and also going to give you a nice consistent paint job. So that's really important. So take time. Now, we're going to use three tools. Always the tool trio is a great option for you, but if you don't have all the tools, I would suggest always having the True Applicator. These come in a 2-pack and they're $7.99. Always having that and a good quality paintbrush, two great tools. But you can also get the roller, all three of these in tool trio in a set and save a lot of money, so check that out. This applicator really changes how brushing onto a vinyl chair is really going to make it look like it is not been brushed on. And that's the key. You don't want your chairs to look painted. So that's how you're going to get that look, is using a combination of all of these. So let me just jump right over here and start painting. So we're using the beautiful color Cathedral, and I'm going to do always my favorite thing is brush and roll. And I tell you this often, if you're new to us and you don't know this, paint right over the nail heads. And then we're going to go in here after we've brushed, so I can just push the paint right down into all of these recesses, all the little cracks and crevices. Push the paint in there, and then I'm going to show you a combination of using the True Applicator and then using the roller to roll over all of this paint and to make it look nice and seamless without any brush marks. Stippling is the key to, again, making this not look like we just brushed out this chair. Because this was already painted, it had some brush marks in it. Although it looked good, it didn't look perfect. I could look back and see that this chair had been painted once before, using again our old techniques. But putting on this paint, using the all-in-one paint, is going to give us a no brush stroke free finish. I think you're going to love what you get. Can you see any brush strokes in here? Just stippling over that. That's what stipple is, guys. A light tapping of this little piece is going to really remove all of that look, okay?
That's pretty. I'll give you guys a close-up here in a minute.
So we have a pair of these. We're going to use these in our office so people can always touch and feel our product.
Tammy wants to know, can you paint fabric?
Tammy, fabrics are a little different than vinyls and leathers, and the only reason I always want to specify that is every fabric's going to act differently. We do know this from our own experience that smooth fabrics work the best, but everybody's idea of what smooth fabric is different too, so I've learned that the hard way. Velvet's not good. Anything that's a velour or a texture or something that has physical little hairs standing up on it, when you paint those, they are stiff, and there's no product out there, and no matter what you've heard or seen, no product out there paints those without stiffening those. Right. Fabrics, test it. So test a hidden spot before you go get carried away. Now, just as of late, like I said, if you join the group, you can see some great success stories there on people painting things like microfiber. That seems to be, you know, microfibers, they sold boatloads of that stuff for years. And there's a lot of it out there, so that paints successfully. But I have seen microfibers, certain ones that have longer hairs on them, and they feel different. So again, even if you have microfiber and you saw a good one, test a spot just to know before you paint your whole couch and you go, I don't like it. Test. It's going to feel like a vinyl once it's done. It's not going to feel like microfiber any longer. So
the moral of the story is just say no to hairy chairs.
Hairy chairs, don't do it. No hair on the chair.
Too much. Let's see, we got a couple more questions here. Grace wants to know, does the paint cover cat scratch marks?
It will definitely conceal cat scratch marks. If you need to cover cat marks, get our product. You'll see the Bond and Flex product that works hand in hand with these paint products. So check that out on our website at htpaint.com. You'll see all of that. So if you need to do repairs, cat scratches, dog marks, so on, jump over there and check out that product. It is great for just that. Very good. We're going to go back and put some metallics in these back into the nail heads here and give it a final little bit of jewelry as we finish it up. And that's about going to wrap it up. So we'll give you a good side by side and show you the before and the after once we finish up here. So if you haven't tried this amazing product, check it out. Right now you can get a quart, and the quarts are right now on sale for $25 using the code SANTA25. All caps, no space in between. That sale's going to run until the very last day of this beautiful year. It's free shipping over $40. So you can get free shipping as well. You'll be off to the races. So you can paint your kitchen, and of course you can start painting vinyls and leathers. And I just so encourage you to join our group, because you're going to learn so much about how you can refresh and renew your home outside, inside. All right, guys, we hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you for being here with us. Let's take one good more look at my chair here, and we'll be sure to post the before and the after so you can see it for yourself and join our group. We'll be glad to send you a link, and just comment below. We'll see you soon. Bye.